How to make a man crazy with jealousy. We'll tell you what it is that makes him crazy with jealousy, and maybe you do not even know. But beware, when jealousy gets out of control is not something that is healthy for any relationship. However, men are also sensitive to certain situations, which undoubtedly make them crazy with jealousy, and maybe you do not even realize. 1. Talking about your ex. When you talk about someone from your past is something that undoubtedly brings men out of themselves. Although they try to act with indifference, to the majority of men, it is something that they do not like, so if you do it, he will surely feel jealousy and may do so in silence. 2. Your kindness with other men. There is nothing wrong with it, and if you are a charismatic girl by nature much less, but they feel really jealous when they see you being kind to other men, even if it is unimportant cordiality. 3. Ignoring him in your plans. Although you agree that each one will go out by their own a Saturday night, jealousy will not let him be comfortable thinking that you did not include him in your plans. Of course, this must be temporary, since both have the freedom and the right to spend time with your friends even if the other is not present. The space between both of you is healthy for every relationship. 4. Compliments to other men. He's very smart, he's good at his job, he's nice, are compliments that you can make about almost anyone, but no matter whoever you are praising, men feel an awakening of jealousy that they can rarely hide. The reason for this is that men are dominant and like to be more admired than their competition. 5. When you are more popular than him. Are you always surrounded by people and are very appreciated by many people in different areas of your life? Then you should know that your partner feels a little jealousy inside himself. He wants to be more popular than you if he does not feel that he is not so special in your life, even if you clearly love him. This jealousy can be closely linked to his insecurities or fear of abandonment. Learn how to get a man to love you. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.